What up? S&M Squad, the best squad on the planet. I put that on everything.
Yes.
It's your boy Sean.
And your girl Mel.
Bam!
What is up, S&M Squad?
Whoa, Nelly, baby.
How are you guys doing today? We hope you guys are absolutely amazing.
Yes, you guys, if you're having a bad day, let's turn around right now with some good energy and some good music.
Most definitely.
Y'all probably think like, do y'all have bad days? Yes, we had bad days. But we find the key. The key is good energy and some good music.
Yes, most definitely.
Babe, who we got today?
Today we're reacting to Amy Winehouse Rehab.
Whoa, Nelly.
Yes, Rehab.
Yes.
Most definitely.
Okay, rest in peace, Amy Winehouse.
Rest in peace, Amy.
First
yes.
off, you know what I'm saying? Definitely heard this song before, but I've never seen the video.
I've never seen the video either.
Now that means that we gotta catch the video, you guys.
All
right here and right now. So if it's your first time here, you guys, make sure you stay here. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell just for the hell of it.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right.
So we got our good energy.
Most
now we about to play our music.
Let's do it, baby.
You already know.
Let's do it. S&M.
Bam! Countdown begins now, y'all. Best part of the video. God damn it. Let's get it.
Let's get it, my
Here we
love.
go, y'all. Shouts out to the whole S&M Squad, baby. All right, here we go, y'all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
They tried to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, no, no, no. I ain't got the time, and if my daddy thinks I'm fine, they try to make me go to rehab. I won't go, go, go.
Wow.
I'd rather be at home with Ray. I ain't got 70 days.
Wow.
There's nothing you can teach me that I can't learn from Mr. Hathaway. I didn't get a lot in class,
Hell yeah.
but I know it don't come
Here we go.
in a shot glass. They try to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, no, no, no. I ain't got the time, and if my daddy
voice.
thinks I'm fine, just try to make me go to rehab. I won't go, go, go. The man said, why do you think you hit? I said, I got no idea. I'm gonna lose my baby. So
Damn.
I always keep a bottle near. He said, I just think you're depressed.
Wow.
This me, yeah, baby, and go ahead. They try to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, you no, no, no.
Wow.
I don't ever wanna drink again.
Damn.
I just
Hell to the yeah, baby.
Wow, Amy.
Amy Winehouse.
Amy.
Yes.
Amy said, I'm not going to rehab.
She refused to go.
Wow.
So she was going to do it
This
on
is
her
just
own.
so heartbreaking.
It is.
You know,
It really is.
because
man.
Amy was in so much pain.
Yes. And you know, fighting an addiction, man, is one of the hardest things, man.
Most definitely.
You know what I'm saying?
Most definitely.
And when help is offered, you know,
Yeah.
you gotta run with the punches.
Most definitely.
You gotta get the help, you know?
Yeah. Amy, she just said she just needed a good friend.
She needed a good friend to talk
You
to.
know,
You know.
She didn't want to
She
check herself
didn't-
in
yeah.
anywhere. No
But she said something
rehab.
like
She
17
said-
days or something
Yeah,
like
she
that.
said she doesn't have the time.
Yeah, it's like,
I guess she was so busy, you know,
yes.
making
And,
hits and
You know, it's probably
being
like
a
a mind thing for
superstar.
her.
Yes, so
You know.
she had so much on her plate.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people out there that want the help, but they just don't have,
They
the,
don't
time.
have the time, you know?
Well, they
All over the
feel
place.
like they don't have the time. But you
And then they
have the
feel like-
time. As long as you're still breathing, you have
Yeah.
the time. There is always time to get help, guys.
Yeah. And then in her mind, she probably like thinking like, I can beat this.
Yeah.
You know, I can beat it.
You know, just with some love in my life, a good friend, you know.
Yeah.
And she said, my daddy thinks I'm fine.
Yeah. Wow.
So-
Man. Rest in peace, Amy Winehouse.
Sometimes
her
we
voice.
do have, you know, those people in our lives that enable us, you
Yeah.
know, when we're going through, you know, the storm.
Yep.
They don't want to see us, you know. I don't
Go
think
do
they
that.
do it on purpose, but they enable us. They say, "Oh, you're fine. You're fine."
Yeah.
But deep down inside, they know that you're not fine.
That's just a
You know.
crutch, like, you know. Yeah. But you know, her voice is amazing.
Yes.
Never heard nothing like it.
Her music is so real.
Her music would definitely live on forever.
Wow.
You know, yeah.
I feel like she was talking about her life, you
Yeah,
know.
definitely. You know, crying out.
Rest in peace, Amy. She was so
Oh, man.
beautiful and talented.
So
It's just
talented and gifted.
so sad, but you know what? Like you said, her music will live on.
Yes. Yes.
And I know
definitely.
has helped a lot of people.
Yes. And I hope this video uplifted someone.
Yes.
You know, today. You
Most
know, 'cause that's what
definitely.
we want to do, you
Yeah.
guys. And definitely get inside the comment section. Let us know what should we do next. Amy Winehouse. You know, so let's get this video a big fat thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up,
So we
baby.
can continue down the rabbit hole, you guys. We see the likes and we, you know, get straight to it.
All
you know?
right. Yeah.
So we appreciate the love, you guys. We about to sign off. Baby, you had a blast.
I had of course.
Definitely had a blast.
S&M.
Hope you guys had a blast with us as well. We're signing off. It's your boy Sean.
And your
I
girl
love her.
Mel.
Bam.
We love you guys.
Yes.
Have a great day
All
on
day.
purpose.
Yes.
On purpose.
Thanks for all the love and support, you guys. Be safe.
Peace.